Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kushwaha. I am student of JNKVB College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today I am presenting a topic classes of seeds under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Seed definition. Seed is defined as fertilized matured ovule consisting of an embryonic plant together with a store of food, all surrounded by a protective coat. The seed is the embryonic stage of the plant life cycle. Most seeds consist of three parts: embryo, endosperm, and seed coat. The embryo is a tiny plant that has root, a stem, and one or more leaves. The endosperm is the nutritive tissue of the seed, obtain a combination of starch, oil, and protein. Classes of seeds: nuclear seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, registered seed, certified seed. Nuclear seed, breeder seed, foundation seed 1, foundation seed 2. Registered seed, certified seed 1, certified seed 2. Nuclear seed, this is the 100% genetically pure seed with physical purity and produced by the original breeder institute, State Agriculture University. From basis nucleus seed stock, a pedigree certificate is issued by the producing breeder. Breeder seed, the progeny of nucleus seed multiplied in large area as ident of Department of Agriculture and Corporation, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, under supervision of Plant Breeder Institute and monitored by a committee consisting of the representative of State Seed Certification Agency, National State Seed Corporation, ICAR nominee and concerned breeder. This is also 100% physical and genetically pure seed for production of foundation seed. A golden yellow color certificate is issued for this category of seed by the producing breeder. General standards: genetical purity 100%, physical purity 100%, minimum germination 100%, seed tag color golden yellow, size of tag 12 into 6 cm. Foundation seed, the progeny of breeder seed produced by recognized seed producing agency in public and private sector under supervision of seed certification agency in such a way that its quality is maintained according to prescribed field and seed standard. A white color certificate is issued for foundation seed by seed certification agency. General standards of foundation seed: genetic purity 99.5%, physical purity 98%, minimum germination 70 to 85%. Foundation seed has white color tag, size of tag 1 of foundation seed is 5 into 7.5 cm. Registered seed shall be the progeny of foundation seed that is so handled as to maintain standard specified for the particular crop being certified. A purple color certificate is issued for this category of seed. The minimum percentage of pure seed and maximum permissible limit for inert matter other crop seeds have been prescribed. Certified seed, the progeny of foundation seed produced by registered seed growers under supervision of seed certification agency to maintain the seed quality as per minimum seed certification standards. A blue color certificate is issued by the seed certification agency for this category of seed. The foundation and certified seeds can be multiplied at stage 1 and 2, but the reproduction cannot exceed 3 generations after breeder seed. General standards of certificate seed: genetic purity 99%, physical purity 90%, minimum germination 60 to 80%. The color of certified seed is in blue color, size of tag 15 into 7.5 cm. Tag of certified seed. Thank you, sir.